About to get boosty with it. Oh, it's wet. Ugh. Woo! Ugh. I have sap on my finger and it's stuck to my brake lever. It's kind of interesting. Phew! Oh, it's wet. Ugh. Stay high. Oh, I didn't follow my own advice. It's really raining. Oh, dang. Kind of sketchy. Oh, this is different. Ugh. Oh yeah, that's my favorite part. Woo! I love that part. Ooh, no bueno. Oh, big hole. We got 3 more. Oh, almost injured me. We got 3 more. Woo. It's running really good right now. Probably because of the rain. Woo. Oh my god, that root. A little bit sketchy. Woo! Yeah. Nice.